You can use the bulk import template to block users in bulk. Blocked users will not be able to access the site and will also not be billed. Click the sliding menu. Under Manage Teamie section, click People and then choose Import People. Configure the bulk import template to make sure that the site status field is ticked. Go to the Import People page and click Download Template to download the Excel template file. Open the template. In the Excel template, delete all the columns except the username, email, and site status columns. Enter the username and email of the users that you want to block. In case your site primary identifier is only username or email, then you need to fill only that. Select Blocked from the User Site Status drop-down for all the users. Save the Excel sheet in your system and go back to the Import People page on Teamie. Click Choose File and select the template from your system. Once the template is uploaded, click Import the Dataset button. Once the import process is successfully completed, you will be redirected to the Manage People page. You will be shown the status of the import process, and an email with a detailed report will be sent to your registered email ID. You can also quickly search for blocked users using their username or email to confirm their site status. The blocked status will also be shown on a user's profile page.